Let's go down to the visitor center where the parking lot is. From there, we're gonna take a sidewalk that leads us to the craters. First, we're gonna see the Diego de la Haya crater and then the Principal crater. Hi, I'm Ricky Guide, and this is the Principal crater, that one that filled the Central Valley with ash. Irazú and Iartazú are indigenous words related to the Irazú volcano, that means the rumbling mountain. Let's go back to the parking lot through Playa Hermosa. See you ahead.